Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to complete your math assignment for today. So you're on this page, there's no videos yet since I'm recording it, but this video would be here under instructions for math assignment. So your next task right before you start your math assignment is to press the ESC button. This is the escape button. You need to do that. If not, it's not going to let you move around pieces to complete your math assignment. So make sure you find and click that button, and then it's going to open up your window so you can see the slides you already saw this morning and the ones that you're going to see today. So your first job, you have a 10 frame and you have numbers from 1 through 6. You have to put them in order. So when we count, we start with 1. Then I'm going to look for the next number, and all the way to 6. For the next one, there's numbers here for me and a 10 frame for each one. So let's do this one together. So this is number 2. I'm going to select 2 circles. And then I'm done with that one since it said 2. For this one, I have to put 5. For this one, I have to put that number. First, I'm going to give you 2 different sets of blocks. You have to count them and decide which one is which group has more, which one is greater. So you're going to count, let's do this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that 5 is greater than 4, so I'm going to put the circle on the group of 5. I'm going to do the same for the rest. The next one is probably one of my favorites. So you have numbers down here in the ice cream cone. So for this one, it has, let's do this one 2. So I get to pick 2 ice cream scoops to put on top. I chose these 2. So make sure you put the right amount of ice cream scoops on each. So this one should have this many, this one should have this many, and this one should have this many scoops. Not all of them, just the number that it has on the bottom. The next one, I'm going to count the fish. For example, let's count this one together. 1, 2, 3. So then I'm going to click on the box and put the number 3. The next one, I'm going to count how many donuts are in each box. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, and I have 6 numbers. So I'm going to count this one, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to look for 3 down here. It's right here. And I'm going to put it right next to it. And I'm going to do the same for the rest of them. I'm only doing one to show you, but you have to do the rest of them on your own. And then the last activity you have to do is circle all the sets, or put a circle on the sets of 6. So you need to count the objects. For example, the fries, 1, 2, 3. There's only 3, so I can't put a circle on it. I have to find the ones that have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 6, so I'm going to put a circle. But there's more. I only showed you one. So make sure you're counting all the objects. Once you're finished with all your work, you're going to press the present button again, which is right up here. And this will help you see your videos bigger, and it starts your videos for you, so you don't have to click the play button. I can't wait to see your work.